Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 10 of working on the 74 F250 pickup truck bed replacement. I thought I turned the camera on earlier because I went through this whole spiel, day 10, and then I showed you how I would ground all this down, and I put on some Duraglass. And I gave it an initial sanding. It's going to need another little coat of Duraglass on there to fill in these imperfections. But then when I was having a cup of coffee here, I went to look at the video and there wasn't one. So all that time I thought I was recording, I wasn't recording. Okay, so what I did was little Duraglass on those corners, and I'm gonna put another little coat on there and just make it better. I mean, it's probably fine the way it is because he's gonna have like a truck bed liner sprayed in here. He has it all conditioned and ready for the liner, and the plan is tomorrow, which is Wednesday, we're going to take the truck bed off the truck and then put it on a utility trailer. He's going to take the truck bed up to the rust doctor place and have them do the truck bed liner, and I think maybe even something underneath. I'm not sure. The way we plan to do that is I have two chain falls in my garage. That one I use all the time to pull engines. This one I only use once in a while to do whatever. And what we're going to do is back the truck out of the garage, turn it around, and then back it into the garage and use that chain fall with some ratchet straps to each corner of the box. Lift the box. You can drive the truck out, back his trailer in, and we can drop the bed on the trailer. That's the plan. Now, if we had extra people here, we could probably get 4, maybe 6 people. Pick this box up, set it on a trailer. But it's high. I mean, we have to, I don't know how heavy it is. I'm old. I don't know if he's as old as I am, but I think it'd be smarter to use a chain fall and lift it. So in episode 10, I think what we're going to be doing today is loosen the bolts that hold the box to the frame, slide the box back, maybe a foot, just so I can get in here and start working on the cab corners. So I'm gonna have to wait till Scott gets here, and we'll come up with our plan then and then execute it. Okay, I'm gonna be starting this cab corner repair. Corner truck. And what I did first is cut a hole here for some exploratory surgery. So I want to see how far back I need to go on this side. Get a marker where I put it. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right across here. Go around the corner to right about here. Down. I need to keep this little front area here, the weld tube, and then come right off across the bottom. So I got to drill out these welds. And there might be no one back here. I'll know more once I get this cut off, if that's weld it here or all the way around the corner. I don't feel one here, but there could be one. Then I'll take this and cut this panel the same way. Through here. Around the back. We do have a little bit different shape here. And I need to come past that transition, so it'll be in here somewhere. Across here. Okay. Get started. You use a roto approach on these, but first I want to drill an 8-inch hole through them. Not with that drill bit, we get a better one. That's more like it. Roto approach. Where the heck did I put it? I just had it. Here it is. Drilling through the outside layer. Looks good. Okay. I'm going to assess the situation and move on. Okay, now this area here is free. And I'm moving it around that corner. I don't feel a weld in the backside. The next one's way back here. So what I'll do is cut this out and put it on the other panel and cut that out. Okay, because this bottom part isn't the same, I needed to cut off the old piece here. And I'm going to re-weld that back where it was and then make this thing fit. I got to shape this bottom though, because it needs more curvature to line up with this. I'm just going to hammer fit that. Okay, I've got this fitting in there pretty good now. It's held in with magnets. I'm going to start welding along the edges. I'm not concerned about the bottom right now because this piece is removable, but I want to keep the relationship of these two together, that, and along the back. So I'm going to start tacking that, and once I get it tacked in good, then I can weld it in permanently. And like I said, I'm not worried about the bottom because I can do that after this is in. I got that welded up. It looks pretty ugly in here, but that'll be all right. I'll grind that down, and then I can fill in the voids, then grind it again. And of course, this bottom part's not on yet, but I wanted to get this all welded in first before I fool with that. But we're coming along good. Yeah, it looks bad, but trust me, it'll be fine. So I'm just gonna continue to grind on this for a minute, and then hopefully I'll be able to get a coat of Duraglass on there tonight. You can see that's coming along nice. I'll take the welder and get into those little voids that are still in there, like right in there. But I gotta let that thing actually warm up, because that gets so cold you can't hold on to it, and even with a glove you can start feeling coldness, but it'll freeze up. So I gotta let that warm up, and what? I'm gonna go take a break. That's and what? Be back in a flash. There we have it. One cab corner installed, welded, welds ground down. It's ready for a coat of Duraglass. And I'm going to call that the end of episode 10, Dan's Messy Garage. I thank you for watching, and stay tuned for episode 11. Bye.